Hi guys, today I will show you how to easily connect an analog device to the TCL C715 TV. So unlike other modern TVs that only have HDMI connection, this is possible for you to connect like an analog RCA connection into your TCL C715 TV. You need a adapter that comes with the TV when you purchase this one. You'll get this. So you need this one, an adapter to connect to your TV. So I'll just connect this now. Okay, I'll connect this connection. So just follow the color codes. So yellow is for yellow, then white is white, red is red. So basically, this is the audio. This is the video, and these are the audios, left and right channel. Then it's combined in this 3.5mm connection. Okay, see this yellow connection. So it's now connected, so I'll try the TV. Okay, now the device is connected to the TV, so I can turn on the TV. Okay, then I need to go to see the top menu, then go to inputs, then OK, then select AV. Now you see here AV, then enter this one. Okay, now it is now using AV auto. Then see there is no signal at the moment because the device is still off. So I connected this one. This is a Magic Sync I purchased from Philippines. So just turn the power on. So it's wow, Magic Sync, so it's working. Okay, so that's it. So that's easy connection of the analog device to your TV. So you don't need the HDMI adapter for that one. So again, please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.